Hi guys, so today we're going to be solving this particular question. They want us to integrate this equation, but we are going to have to decompose this into a partial fraction because the denominator has a higher degree than the numerator. So let us factor the denominator. This will be 5x squared plus 7x minus 3. I need to find the roots for this. So I'm going to do the try and error method yet first. Let us say x equals to 1. So it will become 1 cube minus 5 1 square plus 7 times 1 minus 3, that's equals to 0. Therefore 1 is a factor, therefore x equals to 1 is a root of this equation. Now to get the other roots of this equation, I can simply use x minus 1. If it's x equals to 1, that means x minus 1 equals to 0. That's simply what I just did. I'll use to divide the equation to get the other roots. x into x cubed is x squared times x cubed, x squared times minus 1 minus x squared. So that leave you with 4x squared. This minus here will be minus 5 plus x squared. You drop down 7x and minus 3. 4x squared into x, that will be minus 4x. Minus 4x times x is 4x squared. Sorry, minus 4x squared actually. And here it's supposed to be minus 5 plus 1x, so that'll be minus. Now minus 4x times minus 1, that'll be plus 4x. Now we're just going to put minus here, so it's going to be negative 4 plus 4, which is 0. 7 minus 4, 3x minus 3. Next, 3x into x, that'll be plus 3. 3 times x, that's 3x. 3 times minus 1, that's minus 3. If you have minus here, it becomes 0, 0. So this is the next factor, x squared minus 4x plus 3. So we just need to factorize this. This can be condensed into, I believe, 3x and x, rather minus 3x and minus x. This will be x squared minus 3x minus x plus 3. Then simply factorize it. X, that'll be x minus 3 minus 1, x minus 3. So it's come x minus 1 and x minus 3. My x is looking funny, sorry. So the four roots for this equation will simply be x minus 1, x minus 1, and x minus 3. Now you can notice these two are repeating, so we'll just say x minus 1 square. When you're doing partial fraction decomposition, always join two roots that are the same. Don't ever leave them separate. I used to make that mistake. So our new partial fraction is now in the form 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 all over x minus 1 square x minus 3. Now the decomposition of this is a bit tricky. So it will be a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 1 square. So you see this is the first power, then this is the second power, plus c over the third root there, which is x minus 3. That's simply it. This is a simple case of fraction addition. So, and then the LCM for this part will be x minus 1 square x minus 3. You don't have to write the x minus 1 more than one time. Now this into this will simply leave you with a times x minus 1 x minus 3 into b. It will be b times only x minus 3, and then the denominator into c will be, into this portion will be c times x minus 1 square. Now if you simply multiply through with the denominator, it cancels both here and here, or you can just cross multiply. If you take this here, it will still cancel this and this. So we're going to be left with only the numerator. I'm simply just going to expand this. Basically, I'm going to multiply this into this and then multiply a into them. I'm just going to write the full thing. It should be ax squared minus 4ax plus 3a. For b will simply be bx minus 3b. And c will be cx squared minus 2cx plus c. Now I'm going to group them in order to compare coefficients at the end. It's going to be a. Who else has x squared? C. So it will be a plus c x squared. Next, who has x minus 4a plus b minus 2c. They all have a coefficient of x plus 3a minus 3b plus c. These are the constants. Now simply going to compare coefficient. This has a coefficient of x squared. This has coefficient of x squared. So a plus c, 3 equals to a plus c. Next, I'm going to equate this coefficient is x here. So it's going to be minus 4a plus b minus 2c equals to minus 5. It's minus 5, not just 5 alone. And the last one will be 3a minus 3b plus c equals to minus 2, not just 2. Next here, I can make c subtract formula, so it will c equals to 3 minus a. And then I'm going to substitute into the second equation. So it's going to be minus 4a plus b minus 3, 2 times 3 minus a, sorry. 2 times 3 minus a equals to minus 5. Expand this and simplify it. You're going to get minus 2a plus b equals to 1. That means b is equals to 2a plus 1. I'm going to substitute b into this third equation. So it's going to be 3a minus 3 times 2a plus 1 plus c. And remember that c is 3 minus a. So it will be 3 minus a equals to 2. Simplify this and you're going to get minus 4a equals to minus 2. Which then means a is going to be equals to 1 over 2. Remember b, so b is just going to be equals to 2 times half plus 1, which is simply just going to be b equals to 2. And c was 3 minus half, which will now be equals to 5 over 2. So now the equation we have is half, or we can just simply write it as half x minus 1 plus, that'll be 2 over x minus 1 square plus 5 over 2 x minus 3. And we can simply now just integrate this with respect to dx. When you're integrating a summation, you integrate them individually. So the integration of 1 over 2x minus 1, half is a constant, so you can bring half out, leaving you 1 over x minus 1. The integral of a reciprocal with 1 on top is simply half ln x minus 1. Write ln with absolutes because there's nothing like the negative ln of a number. Next, you integrate 2 over x minus 1 square. That's simply going to be 2. Then this is going to be 1 over x minus 1 square. You can rewrite this to be x minus 1 raised to the power of minus 2. When you integrate it, it will become minus 2 plus 1 over minus 2 plus 1, which is simply 2 times x minus 1 is power minus 1 over minus 1, which is 2 over x minus 1, then minus in front. And lastly, for the last one, 5 over 2 x minus 3 dx. Sorry, you differentiate respect to dx. You can bring out 5 over 2, leaving you with 1 over x minus 3, which we can simply give as ln x minus 3. You simply add them. You simply add them up and you get half ln x minus 1 plus minus 2 over x minus 1 plus 5 over 2 ln x minus 3 plus constant. So this is actually your final answer. Thank you for listening. Anything you do not understand, do not hesitate to ask it in the comment section. Thank you.